First thing we want to do is just make sure that we have assigned a responsible person to each of the cost centers. So these are the cost centers, people, which is the responsibility field in the chart of accounts in MoveX. This means that we will all work off one single budget, but each of these responsible will only get access to their cost center. Next thing we want to do is just open this budget maintenance, and here we can see the budgets that we're working on then. Now we're going to work on this 2009, and all I want to do here now is just assign another budget to compare 2009 with 2008 budget, which could also be actuals for 2008. Is just assign this to the cost center. So we basically take the budget, we send an email to every responsible, and give them a task in the task list to update the budget. So just click on assign budget. And here is now a task to update the budget. To manipulate the budget, we simply just click on this task. And we end up here with the accounts, the description of the accounts, and my initial raw budget that I want to work with. If we expand this, you can also see over here we have a total for this budget. We compare with the total for the one from 2008 budget, and we have a difference in dollar there, and we have a difference in percentage here. So now I can play with this by doing a number of different things to change this budget. Number one, we can just increase this by 20%, put in percentage, press enter. Now this means that it's gone up by 20%. We can do the same thing by increasing it by minus 50%. And we can see how it's gone down from $1,200 to $600. We can also just use a curve to distribute this. So if I put A here, and we put just 18,000 in here, divided that evenly over 12 periods should give us 1,500 per period. And we now have $1,500 for each of this period. You can also go in here and we can manipulate this by actually changing the thing by putting 3,000 there, 4,000 there, 5,000 there, and 1,000 there. Press enter. And we've updated the budget and we got a new total. And we see we have increased this by 108%. We can also use this copy to budget. So if we copy this across to a budget, we can scroll down here, and now we have moved this data into a budget spreadsheet. We can now go in and we can just change the value here from 300, 300, 300, 300. Copy from Excel. And we can see then how we have updated the numbers up here. Can I move that? Just press enter. And we've updated the budget by 300. So just go in here. And we press update. And we come back to the work list, and the task is gone, and it's now moved on to the approver to finalize.